Well, hello there, and welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we're giving you the van review video that you've been asking for. And guys, stick around till the end because we have a special announcements for you. All right, let's go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. You asked for it, so here it is. This video is about the van build review. If you have not seen our build series, I highly suggest you go check them out down here. We'll have the links in the description.
So we're going to take you inside Eddie today for a tour. We're going to talk about our likes, dislikes, and future upgrades. And please stick around till the end because we have a special announcement for everybody.
All the links of our products are going to be in the description also, guys. So let's go! Okay, guys, so we're going to start the review with the van itself. We called it Eddie White. Eddie is a 1988 GMC Vandura 2500. It is powered by a 350 TBI. Transmission is a 700 R4, and it has a 308 rear gear. For those that know, 308 is extra long legs, which for some of you know, reminded me of Ed, because Ed had the longest legs ever. But on another subject, we have done a lot of maintenance to Ed. We've done pad rotors, calipers, wheel bearings. As far as brakes, everything's good there. We have changed the intake gasket, the valve seals, water pump, I believe, has been done. The thermostat, we did a lot of stuff. Rear main seal, transmission front pump seal, differential yoke seal, you name it. It's Eddie's good, man. Eddie's good to go. It has roughly 273,000, I think we're just about to hit. And yeah, that's about it for the Eddie outside. Let's go take a look at the garage. Okay, guys, so every van lifer has a garage. We have one also. We put ours over here where it's nice and easy to access. Not only do we have a garage, but we have a shed. And we'll start with the shed. The shed is actually all our camping gear. Are you okay there? Yeah, we're good. Okay, the shed is all our camping gear. Basically, I have the table, the foldable chairs, our propane barbecue grill, slash, you name it, it does it all. Power cord, few cleaning products for the van, our walking sticks, all our camera gear stuff, the poles, the stands, they all go in the back there. Okay, and now on the garage side, we keep everything in this tote. The tote's about 60 pounds. It's a lot of weight back here, but everything we need is in here. So basically, oh snap, you guys can't be seeing this stuff. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, this is the tote. We have everything from chemicals, bolts, nuts, connectors, electrical, our little boost box slash inflator. It does it all. Wires, you name it, it's in there. Comment below if you see something I don't have that I should have. We'll take a look at it. Other than that, we have an old ammo box full of tie downs. We have the beach mat, the beach shovel, propane hose, a few other things back there. A lot of storage. You'd be amazed how much storage we have. But I think that'll do it for back here, and I'll send you guys inside. Tanya's got a few things to show you guys.
Well, hi, and welcome to our tiny home. So we are in the living room right now, slash dining room, where we like to have our morning coffees, our meals, play a little game of maybe cards when we're not outside.
Skip or bow?
I'll be Bo.
I'll skip.
The beauty of Eddie is that his seats do swivel, which is awesome. So we can actually turn them around when we are parked or camping and actually enjoy it like it was our little living room. So now I'm going to bring you to the kitchen. So now we are in the kitchen. So we have our paper towel rack here, which is bolted to the counter so nothing moves. I have my net for my veggies and our apples and bananas. All my spice racks are up here. I got all my canned goods up here and all my oils up here, which is pretty awesome. Everything is nice and secured. I'll bring you a little closer so you guys can see. We put little hooks in and we just turn them when we are driving. So here we have our functionable sink and we have our running water as well, which everything is hooked up underneath here with our big water bottle. I do have my stove and our fridge, which is a Bodega dual zone fridge and freezer. So like I mentioned, we have our fridge here and our freezer, which actually contains a lot, which is awesome. Up here we have all our things for the bathroom, toiletry, and our towels. We have our pantry, snacks, coffee, everything that we need. And down here is where we keep our pots and pans, our plates, our knives, our forks, our kettle, everything. Beside our fridge, we have our cutting board, our fire extinguisher, and all of our butane and propane in the back. And under our bed, we have Chevy's little corner. I think that's how we're going to call it. So she has her food, her water bowl, which is spill proof, her litter, and her extra litter. And we did build her a little, sorry for the hair, guys, it's cats. Her little stand here where she can watch the birds and her little scratching post. There you have it. Okay, so down here we have our portable toilet, which comes in very handy for me and I think for Johnny as well. So we just need to pull it out and push it back in. That's it, right? So over here in the back, we have our bed, windows everywhere. We have our little plants. I have my tablet here with the stand, so it acts like our TV. We download stuff on Netflix and on Prime. Over here, we have our personal cupboards. Up here, we have all our clothes, my clothes, Johnny's clothes. Over here is arts and crafts, books, binoculars. I got some painting material if I want to paint. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And Miss Chevy, she sleeps there all the time. She just loves it.
Okay, guys, so here is the section of our likes, dislikes, and future upgrades that we want to do to the van. We'll start with the dislikes because there is none. Obviously, we love it. Besides banging our heads here and there, it's the
Everything's new.
everything's new. We'll get used to it. No dislikes. There's a few likes that we really like.
Yes, which I really enjoy. It's super easy to clean, very well organized, like I like it. And the room that we have, actually, it's really spacious in here. And it's just cozy. That's how we
It
like
is.
it.
It is cozy. Yes, it is. On my end, the likes, I like the looks that it gives us. I'm a car guy, so yeah, a lot of people like the van, so I appreciate that one. And just the freedom in general, you
Yes.
know, we can go sleep where we want, really, and wake up where we want is the most important part. But yeah, no, that is it for the likes. Like, there's obviously a lot more, but these are the ones that are really obvious to us. Okay, so future upgrades. We added a lot of weight to Eddie, so we need to upgrade that rear suspension. That is going to happen in the near future. We need to find some shoe storage. What do you guys do with your darn shoes? Either mine are always outside or they're always in the way. So there's no in the middle of it,
No.
you know, really. So let us know. What do you guys do for shoe storage? Yeah, comment below, send links, suggestions. We're open for it. We do want to do a UV resistant window tint.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what they call it? I'm not sure, but it has the UV in there. The window covers are great, but during the day I like to see outside, and the window cover doesn't allow that.
Mm-hmm.
So we're possibly going to do a window tint. Again, if you know a product, please mention it down here, comment below. We'll go take a look at it. Other than that, with that being said, guys, the big surprise is we have been approached by a company to do a partnership deal with them, and everything worked out real good. And we thought we were done with the upgrade, the build videos, but we are gonna have a upgrade video, possibly two
videos.
upgrade videos. So yeah, you guys are gonna have to stick around. We're not gonna say what it is, but hopefully you guys can stay around and see it in the next video.
Yes. So thanks for watching.
Yep.
Let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss an episode.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.